Tony here with Random Likes. I am out here today in front of my camper trailer. I built a hitch lock for it, as you can see here. I'm going to walk through the process of how I built it from scratch, where I got the lock from, and my thoughts behind it. If you have any questions, don't forget to put them in the comments, and I can answer them as I get them. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Alright, so what I have here today is a master lock from Home Depot. It's about $40 on today's value, and it comes with the lock and the rasp and a set of keys. What I'm going to do is build me a lock for my camper trailer to help protect my investment. While you can buy trailer locks online, and really if you think about the price of insurance, they're quite reasonable. You know, they're about $250 for a really good one. I've seen some different videos on it where people can break into them. So what I'm going to try to do is build a really heavy duty lock and show you the process of what I'm thinking, and hopefully get by with this old ball I had laying around for one of my trucks, and some scrap metal, and I actually got some here, and I'll show you what I'm gonna do, how I'm gonna build my lock. So what I'm doing here is just building a template out of some cardboard, and I decided to go with a cube design. It seemed to work the best. I had about 3 other designs, got a little too extravagant, and just decided to settle in on a cube just to make it simple. So now that it fits on the trailer, I like the way it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and just mark it off, cut it down, kind of see how it fits, and go from there. When I move into building this out of metal, I'm going to leave enough room so that I can put my chains in here as well and lock them in the box. I've laid everything out, put it back together so that I can get a template for my metal squares that I'm going to cut out to make the cube. There'll be 5 total here. With on average about 100,000 trailers a year stolen, I wanted to build this lock, provide a little extra protection and security, a little peace of mind as well. I may also add a chain through the tires with the lock on it so that I don't have to worry as much about someone taking my trailer. So it turned out pretty nicely. I welded it all up, grinded it all down, and I think it turned out pretty good. What I'm going to do next is I'm just going to put an even line across it here and use this as my cutting line to cut the box open. So that little box of everything that you have in the shop, one of mine says door pieces and hinges. So looking through it, I found a nice little hinge, probably about $3 to $5 at your hardware store, just a heavy duty hinge to use on the lockbox. Well, definitely not a welder by trade. I'm more of a grinder. It seemed to work out okay, and I'm getting a little better each time I do it, and practice makes perfect, I guess. Well, thanks for tuning in this long. I got a little bonus for you here. This is a little paint booth I made out of some old wood, a box fan that's seen better days, and I used a filter. I recycle it out of my home. I change it out in my filter and put it in here. I also added a little heat lamp to help dry the paint. It was kind of cold out that day, and warm up the metal so it sticks better. Well, here's the finished product. Building a trailer lock, something I randomly like. If it's something you randomly like too, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I appreciate you watching. Have a great day.